Hey, what's up? Welcome to the channel. So, from this video, we are starting a new series that is a playwright with Python. It is a automation library created by Microsoft, and with that, we can control our browser like Chrome and Firefox with the help of a Python program. It's basically it's available in Python, Node, Java, and .NET, but we are using Python. So yeah, let's make our basic setup. For that, I'm using a virtual VS Code Visual Studio Code. And then first we it is a Python, so we create our virtual environment. So for that, write Python minus env, yeah. Our virtual environment is created. Now we need to active. So for that, we have to write venv slash script slash activate dot bat. I actually I need want to use a command from not PowerShell, so just copy that and paste here. Yeah, our virtual environment is activated. Now we need to install the Playwright folder. Do pip install wrigst Playwright. And by this, your Playwright library is installed. Now we need to install the Chromium. For that, just do playwrigst Playwright install. By this, the Chromium is installed. It takes some time, but it will be installed. After installing that, now we need to create our main file. So just I give the main.py. Here we write our code. So for that we need to import. Here just we make a basic program that open any our browser. For that first we need to import from Playwright, and we use sync API. I will tell later what is sync async, but this, and I will off that AI. Yeah. Now our we add our i- we add our library. Now we need to make one function that runs. So I give the div and give the name function run. You can give any you want, and here we need to open with sync playwright right sp. We I make basically areas sp, not writing that too much. I can with p I can directly access that, and then in that I want browser that is that key that we from sync up playwright. I need a Chromium. I need to open Chrome as such that there is headdress is equals to false. With headless false means we can able to see the screen. I will if I run you can able easily understand what is headless true and false. Now I need to open one page that was a browser of new page, and with a new page it's go like that. Right. What? Yeah, that will be a new page, and we open one page. Now we need to go any website. So I'm choosing this website to go. So just copy the URL and now just page dot go to, and then I add my URL in a string, and after that we just print the title of our page. Print page title is, and this and give page dot title. It's strong, small, and it is title is one function. And after that all happened, we cross our browser. For that, just we need a browser dot cross, and we it is also function that cross the browser. Now we have to run that program to do if minus minus name is equals to minus minus main. We run that our run function. Now it is installing, so we need to do some wait. For at the time I will explain that what is sync API and async API. So basically it's did you hear about sync programming async where there is a one function, there is a one function, there is a one function. If we run async array, then first this function will run. After executing this function, this will running, and after this is run is completed, that after that this function will run. That is sync API does do same, and async API is doing a difference. It's help doing a parallel task means it can run uh, all the function parallelly. So yeah, that's it. In this course, we are basic using async API because we have to scrap money means we go to the first page. After here doing something happen and here something there is button like that. After that, go to the second page. Same we go. So we are using sync API. So yeah, let's run our program after it install. Yeah, now our this all the requirement is installed. Just we need to run Py- Python main.py. It's not object the browser type, so there is one something little bit error. So right, fix that. Yeah, we have do a little bit mistake here. We have to launch that also. So Python dot Chromium dot launch. Now it will run. Here we can see our Python program is run, but we didn't able to see the screen. So for that, just we here do headrest is equals to false. And if we run the program again, here we can see a browser is pop up and we can able to see what happened. So basically it's headless doing if if it is a default it is a true, and if true we didn't get any browser pop up. So it's best for if we add into a server. But for the testing we basically do headless equals to false. So what we happening there we can see and debug that. So yeah, that's our in this video. So yeah, thanks for watching.